Today, we're gonna milk a cow using this stanchion. So, we've had this cow for like 6 months. Many of you have been following the videos, and the goal is to be able to milk this cow every day and never have to buy milk again. I built this stanchion. I'll post the notes. Yeah, ready. I'm just in the shelter. And so get that fresh raw milk every day. And I'll post a link to where I found the build for this stanchion. Over the last week, we've been training Lola to just be comfortable in the stanchion, eating out of it, handling her udders while she's standing there. Biggest thing I didn't realize was on a wood stanchion, cows slip a lot. And so what I did is I found these little rubber mats, put a couple where her front feet are and her hind legs, and she doesn't slip anymore. And so that's been working great. And so let's see how today goes.
Yeah.
Today we are getting milk. Finally, after much toil and suffering, we are getting milk. Just look at this, white gold. This is definitely the most we've ever gotten so far. Oh my gosh, my hands, they need a break.
Should I take a turn?
You wanna try? All right, babe. Let's see. How much milk did we get?
I should stop. What if we fill that up?
Woohoo!
There's still some more. I think I might let that drain through and then get the next one.
Yeah, because that honestly might overflow.
Don't get me that one. I don't like this one. The kids put crumbs in it.
Is that a half gallon?
No, that's a quart. That's a quarter of a gallon. And then a pint.
Yes.
Every drop. Because we worked hard.
Should I get the spatula and scrape it off?
Yeah.
All right. We cannot waste a single drop.
Yeah. So 32. And let's see. Plus 10, 42, a little over 42 ounces. That's wild. Mark that down.
Yes. All right. So this is our first real. This is our first real day of getting milk. Every other time we've gotten like 2 or 3 ounces, but I think that's just because of the time of when we were trying to milk our cow, and I think we got a system down now, and so we're gonna enjoy some raw milk tonight. And yeah, it feels good. It feels good to see all the fruits of your labors, because when we first got this cow, she was not halter trained. She didn't know how to stand in a stanchion. She was very skittish, and she'd never been milked before. And I, having never owned a cow, have done it. Praise be to God. So stay tuned.
You can too.
You can too.